Welcome to Whispers. So, Yekini Amuda Ogunlere, aka Bat, aka Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Actually, Yekini Amuda Ogunlere is his real name. Has found his voice. He suddenly has life. He suddenly has a burst of energy and self-confidence. So he's been all over the place making headlines. It's with things like if Nigeria separates, I have no way to go. Tinubu, Baba Laro, Boda Yekini, Yeki, Amudo Jere, Ọlọ́run ò ṣe bí. Ogunlere, what do you mean by if Nigeria separates, you have no way to go? Ìrágbèjì ńkọ́? Ọmọ oko abẹdọpampa, ìrágbèjì ńkọ́? Àbẹ́kò lẹ ti wá ní? Wá láti Èkó náà. Ẹni tó sọ lẹ́nu, ó sàpò ìyàkọ́. Yẹkínní. Kò tọ́ sí yín lẹ́nu. Kò tọ́ sí yín lẹ́nu. Ẹ kó jẹ́. Níbi tẹ́ ẹ lọ pé kíni. Ẹ fẹ́ níbi tẹ́ ẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ ní private jet. Ibi France wà tẹ́ ẹ sá lọ. Ibi France bọ́ bá sí ibi plane bá laná. Ẹ kọrí sí Ìrágbìjí náà. Wọlé. Ilé bá bọ́ ọmọ yìí bọ́mọ lẹ́rù. Odò tó bá gbàgbé orísun rẹ̀, ìgbẹ́ ẹ̀dá sọnù ni. After all, kékeré mo ibà lágbájá tán. Kò ṣe é bọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ Buddha sọnù ẹ jẹjọ. Yekis kòkò. Bá Yekini Àmùdá Ògúnlérè, ẹ kó là kúrò lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Ẹ kó kọ́là. Ṣé ẹ gbọ́? Níbi tẹ́ ẹ lọ bíi tìbò. Ìrágbìjí ń bẹ. Níbi bí ẹ ti wá nù. Sì rádaràdà kìkì àná. Kí ló fẹ́ fààyàn fún yín? Lògùn yín ni. Àbórí yín gbọ̀n débẹ̀ ni. Ìrágbìjí ni o. Níbi tẹ́ ẹ lọ bíi tìbò. Ìrágbìjí ń bẹ. Ìrágbìjí bẹ́ẹ̀ kíni bíwájú ò bá ṣe é lọ ẹ̀yìn tí é padà sí kíni ọ̀hún ẹ dákun. And so Pa Yekini was fired. Oh my God. He was seriously fired. You know, he has been misyanning. What can jam talk, So when he said Nigeria's breakup is unacceptable to us. That is Pa Yekini Àmùdá. Àwùdó jèrè Ọlọ́run ò ṣe bí. Ògúnlérè aka Bat ti rí nǹkan tó àdán tí nǹkan dáadáa làdán ni. Àdán olójú méjì ṣekúṣẹyẹ ọ̀ṣàkálá ṣekóló. Tinubu wọ́n ní Nigeria's breakup is unacceptable to us. Another headline nìyẹn o. And people were like, well, he's speaking for his, he's in the cabal, so he's speaking for people, so-called stealing elites. They are not even elites now, non-entities. I see them as non-entities. Because you are calling them elites. Ó máa ń jẹ́ kó rí wọn ojú pẹ̀jú ṣe apá wọn lọ. Ó jẹ́ kó máa feel pé they are more human than the rest. Tó jẹ́ pé kí ni wọ́n ti já ránkì yín wálẹ̀. And his fellow politician, police stealing, political appointee, traditional rulers, his northern cabal members, and all the members of the what is that thing? Al Qaeda, people killing courts. Yes, APC. Egbekegbe is speaking for the likes of them. He said that Nigeria breakup is unacceptable to Kenya. Ìgbà wo ni mọ́kò ní kó tó ti break up? So for that, people really fired with such headlines as excuse me, who are you to determine our future? Nigerians reply, Tinubu, Yekini Awujo Ogunleri, for saying Nigerians breakup unacceptable to us. So, I mean, the people were so aggrieved that they flooded Facebook, Twitter with comments lambasting, wọ́n kì ìpọ́n orí máa pọ́npọ́n ìyá láyà pa Yẹ̀kínní àmúdó jèrè wọ́n kì í fún wọn pé kọ́ lọ wájú wọ́ sí. So, but yeah, those are the headlines for you. But I'm only gonna settle for Nigeria breakup is unacceptable to us by Tinubu. So the national leader of the All Progressive Congress, the Egbekegbe APC, Bola Tinubu, that is not even, he's so fake, like, excuse me, that's not even his real name. His real name is Yekini Amuda Ogunleri. He's not even real to himself, like. Has warned that Nigeria stands the risk of experiencing another war if it breaks up war making. Isn't it at war already? Not alright. There have been agitations in the southeast and southwest for the country's breakup for separate nations. Point of correction: self-determination. Okay? Pa Yekini Amuda is self-determination. Okay? Biafra and Oduduwa respectively. Tinubu, however, discouraged it, saying Nigeria cannot afford another war. When has self-determination turned to war? When has self-defense turned to war? I mean, the Northerners, they did it. The 12 states started it. They self-determined. They wanted Sharia and they went for Sharia. So what is stopping other indigenous people from going ahead? These are people with one voice, Edikon, Ashakon, in the same geographical location. That is support kill. We want to be autonomous. We want to self-determine. We want to govern ourselves by ourselves. No external interference. What is wrong in that? What is wrong in that? Tinubu, however, discourages, saying Nigeria cannot afford another civil war, considering the lasting effects Nigeria's civil war of 1967 to 1970 has had on the country. The former Lagos State Governor, former none, and when you pass glory, son, former State Governor, former senator, former this, former that, past glory that has been lost, they replace him, that can never be found. Only past glory, son. The former Lagos State governor who spoke at the special Ramadan prayer held in Lagos on Sunday said, God will not allow Nigeria to experience its war. If we say Nigeria should separate, people should remember what war caused in Sudan and Iraq. So we should sit down, to don't delude. Let the criminal Fulani herdsmen be lording it over the indigenous rightful owners of ancestral lands. Abi, can it work? Such word does not hint on time. We are yet to recover from the civil war. We are better together. The likes of you are better together now. You corrupted few. We are better. Maybe your children are intermarrying. Your children are marrying each other now. Your children wouldn't marry from the poor masses now. So you people, you are better together. And together, Nigeria will happen to you. You can't choose for us. You can't speak for us. How dare you, Amuda? Pa Amuda? I have no way to... I have nowhere I'm going. Iragbiji ńkọ́, Ọ̀ṣun State ńkọ́, lórí Iragbiji lọ́gbà tẹ́ ti balẹ̀ tẹ́tẹ́ ti bọ̀nà jẹ́. Iragbiji ńkọ́, because the rate this drama is going. Lagos State, oh my God, they will chase you. Ẹsẹ̀ oníbalẹ̀, Ọlọ́run gan mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Wọ́n ti ní kẹ́rù má jọba, tẹ́rù bá jọba èèyàn ò ní kù kan. Wọ́n ti nílé tó bá ń tò, wọ́n máa ní ibẹ̀ ní o tí ìdàgbà. So I have nowhere I'm going. Of course you will go now. Iragbiji wà ń bẹ̀. You will go to Iragbiji. Whoever has experienced war in the past will not pray for such. Nigeria will not separate in your dream. So to separate it, no. Ṣebí láyé dání Èkó ní ìbàjẹ́ ó bàjẹ́ tí tó bàjẹ́. Ohun tó mú wọ́tẹ́ kò fi bàjẹ́. Tó fi bèkó jẹ́. Iragbiji ni. Iragbiji. Ẹ̀kọ́ ìpalẹ̀ wọn bá yẹ kí ní àmúdá o. It is not acceptable to us. Our prayer is for prosperity and more wealth for the country. Your own country, not the masses' country, not the people's country. So, yeah, that is Baye Kini Amuda Ogunleri o. He's being blinded by his blind ambition, so he's not seeing clearly. He's not facing reality. So, yeah. That is it. At times, war may not necessarily be bad. It brings an end to this fake. It is a fake union. I mean, can you imagine somebody that is so fake? Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not even his real name. It's a fake name. He brought together his political party, gave a fake Nigeria a fake president with a fake constitution, with a fake failing state. Look at the state of Nigeria, because it's all fake. So what are we not? Anything that is built on lies will crumble. Ilé tá a bá fi tọ́mọ ìrì ló máa wó. Páyẹ kíní àmùdá. Oh since your name is so. Bá yẹkiyẹkiyẹki. Ó ti wá yí ẹ lẹ́ẹ̀bá iye kóta. Ẹ ti dẹni yẹ̀yẹ́, ẹ ti dẹni yẹpẹrẹ. Àmùdá ó jèrè. Bá yẹkílé àbùdá. Ogun lérè, kò sí ohun tí ò lérè péyàn sí èrè yóò gbẹ̀rí rẹ̀. Bó sì ṣèkà yóò kéré rẹ̀. Èrè ti wá dé báyìí o. Big people dédé. So, there you have it. Kini Àmùdá Ògúnlérè will end up going back to Iragbiji in Osun State. He said he has nowhere to go. What a time. Something like, come your way, okay.